Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on Creative Cooking. 8 chefs, 1 goal: to create the most exciting new recipes using Grace Convenience Foods and local produce, and to be the top chef of the challenge. Now, meet today's chefs and your host, Maisie Miller.
Hello, let's introduce you to today's challengers. On my left is
Chef Marvin Robinson from Roundhill Hotel.
And on my right is
Chef Fabian Ffrench from Jamaica Pegasus Hotel.
I want to begin with you, Chef Robinson. What are you cooking for us today?
I'll be cooking snapper wrapped cured bacon, served with organic spinach, triple boiled garlic, and topped with avocado salsa.
Chef Ffrench, what are you cooking for us?
Well, I'm doing poached chicken papillotte.
Yes.
This will be stuffed with a Grace Earth Chef Veggie Mince.
Okay,
and I'll be serving this with a baked bean coconut sauce.
Now let's introduce you to our panel of judges. First, Mrs. Paulette Roden. Mrs. Roden is a certified professional chef. She's also a director of Crimson Dawn Limited. Next we have Mr. Steve Saw, Vice President of the Culinary Federation of Jamaica and the Executive Chef of Half Moon Hotel in Montego Bay. And next to him, we have Dr. Janet Dare, the General Manager of the Runaway Bay Heart Hotel and Training Institute. Guys, you know the rules. Please proceed to your stations. The challenge begins now. Chef Marvin, what are you doing over here?
Just cutting up XX fats off the bacon right now.
And Chef Ffrench, what are you doing over there?
I'm just setting up my seasonings for my breast that I'll be poaching shortly.
I see you poured some boiling water a while ago. Tell me what's the process of what you did a while ago?
Well, I'm just soaking my Veggie Mince.
Okay,
for 5 minutes.
rehydrating Veggie
Yes.
Mince, yes. Chef, I see you working with fillet of fish. Tell me what you're doing with it.
I'm gonna lightly season, wrap with the bacon.
You poured something strong on the bacon. What was that?
This Appleton rum.
You're flattening the chicken,
Yes.
the chicken breast.
This is help to tenderize it.
What's that you're cutting, Chef?
It's parsley, fresh parsley.
Fresh parsley. What are you using the parsley for, Chef?
Just put on the fish, it also adds to the flavor.
I'm just butterflying the chicken breast.
Okay, which is like slitting in two.
Yes.
What are the seasonings you're adding?
Onions, thymes, a little garlic,
And you poured on some what?
some
Olive
cracked
oil?
pepper,
Okay.
less salt because the bacon is already salt.
Chef, tell us what's going on here.
Well, I'm just adding a bit of salt to the potato that I'm doing.
Okay. And you're wrapping the bacon around it. Are you going to totally encase it?
No,
Okay.
because what happens, bacon will grab it and it'll be too intense.
So I'm seasoning for my earth veggie mince. I'm just
Okay.
going to add some carrots, some sweet peppers and stuff.
What's this you have here?
It's Bammy Shingles.
He's actually sliced the bammies very thinly. What's
Just
that in
sauteing some seasoning
Okay,
that
so
I'm going to add for the earth veggie mince. I'm just going to saute it for a bit. The flavor develops there. I'm just going to add this the earth veggie mince.
Okay, you have rehydrated
This is
the
for-
veggie mince. Okay.
This is for my stuffing for the poached papillotte.
Okay, good.
This is the seasoning that comes in the pack. So
Okay,
just
yes.
add a bit to it,
Okay.
bring out the flavor.
Right. Chef Robinson, how long will you fry the bammies for?
Until golden brown.
Okay.
This thing take no more than a minute and a half.
Okay. I think at this point we'd like to invite our chief judge to join me in the kitchen to see what our chefs are up to. What's the next step, Chef?
Yes, this step now I'm going to wrap it in the plastic wrap for the poaching process.
Okay.
So I'm just going to add my salt and my pepper.
I'll join you again later.
Okay, looking forward to you coming back, Chef. Place the chicken breast on the plastic wrap and then you actually roll up to get it compact.
Trying to tie this out.
Okay, get
Tight
all
as
the air
possible.
out, right?
I'm making the avocado salsa right now, but you don't want to get the skin in.
Okay. You are about to start poaching the chicken breast.
Yes.
Tell us what you're pouring over the avocado,
A
chef.
little scotch bonnet oil, but you don't want to get it too hot. Fresh parsley.
Fresh parsley.
Flavor. Just a tiny bit of honey, just a pinch.
Chefs, you have 20 minutes to go. What are you cutting there?
Scallions.
Scallion tops, yes. And chef, you're peeling potatoes.
Yes, I'm just peeling potatoes.
You boiled some potatoes earlier on.
This is just to hold the sauce that I'm going to do.
Pour there, chef.
It's lemon. To get a little zest in it.
A little zest, okay.
Flavor.
Lemon zest, yes. Chef, what you're doing there?
I'm just going to add these to this water.
Okay. The pan frying the fish, covering with
Little grease paper.
the grease paper,
Little weight.
and you put a
So wait.
weight on it to keep it down.
Now I'm getting my sauce ready.
Ingredients for the sauce.
Yes.
Okay, okay. What's the sauce you're making?
It's a baked bean with coconut milk.
What's the sauce you're making?
Run them with curry sauce. Coconut run them with curry sauce.
Coconut rundown sauce.
Yeah, with a hint of curry.
How long will you pan fry the fish for?
Until it's crispy, because I'm going to put it in the oven.
After the
Chef
chicken
Ffrench.
is poached, I'm just going to soak it in a bit of ice water before I put it on the grill.
Okay.
That's it, don't break apart.
Okay. Chef, so may I please invite you to come over in the kitchen to see what is happening over here?
Working very clean.
Oh, very clean, yes. Both of them.
Yeah.
They work very clean, chef. The flavors coming from the kitchen. Smells really good.
Okay, I'm just going to immerse this now, just now, from stock.
Yes.
Just going to immerse it now in the water.
Allow it to cool down.
Yes,
and
cool down, and then I'm just going to put it on the grill.
Okay.
Pot is ready for my sauce.
Beautiful.
Add my vegetables.
And here you have, well, chopped onions, scallions, tomatoes.
Oops.
Don't you worry, chef. Accidents happen in the kitchen, you know.
Yeah, salt and pepper.
Strain this off.
You're draining the garlic. They have been
Yeah.
boiled for three
3 times.
times, right? So now you're taking the poached chicken breast from the cold water. Yes. Removing the casing.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
See you when it's finished.
Okay, thank you very much, Chef. Thanks.
Welcome.
They lightly sauteing that, yes. Notice the garlic, they have kept their shape, eh?
Yeah.
Hi, Chef, what's happening over here?
A bit of Chinese sauce to kind
Okay,
of
some sauce being added to. Okay, so, alright.
have a perfect color.
Okay. Chefs, you have 10 minutes to complete the challenge. Only 10 minutes, guys.
I'm just gonna grill my vegetables.
Oh, next step, you slice the vegetable, zucchini, and you had yellow squash. You put on a little black pepper,
Yes.
a little salt,
Yes.
and then you use some vegetable oil.
Yes.
Okay? What's your next step, Chef?
Just sauteing the spinach the last minute.
Okay. What will grilling do to these vegetables? Give you a lovely color,
Charred taste.
give you a charred appearance, yes. You put in some butter a while ago, did you?
Yeah, just a flavor.
Okay. And now you're straining the sauce, Chef.
Yeah, it's ready.
Sauce should be very smooth, eh? So to the spinach, Chef, you added to the
Small amount of
tomatoes.
salt.
Those are
Spinach is a
cherry
bit-
tomatoes. You particularly asked for cherry tomatoes, eh?
It's a bit sweet.
Right. Spinach, a little scallion. What else is in that pan?
The triple boiled garlic.
Triple boiled garlic. We're down to 5 minutes, and this is time for plating. Time is up. Please stop working. Now it's all up to the judges. One chef will move on to the next round, and sadly, one chef will go home. Please tune into the judges' verdict this Friday evening at 7:50 p.m. on CVM TV. Please don't miss it.
Grace Kitchens, in association with the Culinary Federation of Jamaica, presents the Chef's Invitational Challenge on creative cooking, taking Grace Convenience Foods to a new level. Who will be the top chef of the challenge? Join CVM TV for Creative Cooking every Tuesday and Friday at 7:50 p.m.